it definitely makes sense why we're doing it.
It's just as important as a suppression.
It's a preventative measure. There's a small amount of people who actually notice what we're actually doing. Whether they know it or not, we're creating a safe environment for people to actually be here and be around.
If we can eliminate some things here and get rid of some trees or some debris around the building before the fire pops off, then we've done our portion of suppression within prevention, you know?
This spike, we're doing something called defensible spade.
It's just a fuel break line. Cleaning up zone 0, 1, and 2.
We clear the brush from the floor so it doesn't climb up a tree. We clear over any structures hanging overhead so we don't have fire dropping on top of structures. We're creating fuel breaks, so if there's a fire here, it wouldn't spread. It might start one place, but it won't make it through everything. At the end of it, we really do make our mark on it, and we really just change and make it more presentable. We leave it always better than we found it. I do want to protect my community more, and actually I want to bring others out into my community so I can say, hey, I've done that. That was me who actually created this fire break, who created this nice environment. I was a part of it, and it's real fulfilling to actually do meaningful work.